But people can actually walk on the sidewalk now. Yep. Yep. Can't do that with a car. Boy, you suck at parallel parking. Oof. Guess you just gave up. More than enough room for that little SUV. You just gave up. Fazia? Thank you. Okay. You get some dragging under your car. I'm gonna look underneath the car. There's something dragging underneath. Underneath. The belly pan underneath. That's what it is. Underneath the engine. In the front of the car. The belly pan. The plastic piece. Yeah, those things come off sometimes. Yeah, be careful. All right, when you hear something dragging, it's like it's underneath the car. Oh Lord, I don't think that guy's too bright. He's just looking around the car. He's looking at the tires. Look under the car. It's something dragging underneath the car. I drive on the sidewalk to get into the parking lot. Uh-huh. Have a good day. Alright, car coming, I gotta get out of the way here. Yep, speed on through. That's why I'm up here. And there comes a guy racing in. Roll right on past, it's fine. Hey. Thank you. Thank you. She heals from Jai. Oh. Good. Thank God. Thank you. Okay. Scared the crap out of me. About an e-bike, go up hills effortlessly. Why is that? You're trying to blow up your engine? Jeez. Liana? Liliana? Okay, I'll wait. Thank you. Have a good night. Leave it? Okay, thank you. Have a nice night. I will, thank you. You too, thank you. Almost ran over somebody. Good job. He's gonna ride up on the sidewalk with a motorcycle. That's wonderful. Okay, be careful driving, people. Inching up to the crosswalk's not going to make the light turn any faster. They fixed this rotting. No, they didn't. It's still rusting away. No. Look at that, nice big rust hole. No, I shouldn't be standing on it, but you know, like if it could take the weight of a car, it could certainly take my weight. Look out, look out. It's on a crosswalk, but whatever. They're big SUVs and trucks driving on the wrong side of the road. Blows right through an all-way stop sign, of course. Oh, a Mercedes got pulled over. What a shock. It's out of state. Yeah, they're always speeding through here. Let's see if we get a ticket. No, no ticket. Lucky. No kickstand. But why do these idiots have to leave it right in the middle of the sidewalk, you know? Because they're half-wits, that's why.